Good morning, students. Hope you are clear with the chapter. Let's do the diary entry of the chapter. But in writing skills, there are two diary entries. One is of Swami and second is of Samuel. Let's do the first one. Imagine that you are Swami. Write a diary entry relating your experience with Samuel in the school. Beta, you need to mention first of all date, month, date, comma, year. On the opposite side, that is the right side, you are supposed to write time. Usually it is after 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, as you wish you want to write. Then comes below date Monday, that is Monday. Now today is the worst day of my life after two holidays of Saturday and Sunday. See, Swami is writing, so imagine that you are Swami, so you're going to write I, okay, because it's your personal diary entry. Today is the worst day of my life after two holidays of Saturday and Sunday. As there were two holidays for Swami, weekend was off for him, and on Monday he did not want to go to school in the morning. Therefore, I made an excuse of headache, and I convinced my mother by saying that there was no important lesson in the school on that day. And mother had a very caring attitude, so she allowed me to stay at home and take rest. But when my father came to know about this, he got angry and insisted me to go to school. Okay, I tried to convince my father by giving some excuses, but did not allow me to stay at home. I changed my tactics होते हैं बेटे तरीके, and made another excuse that my teacher Samuel beats the latecomer. Whoever comes late in the class, he used to punish that child. My godfather got very surprised when he came to know about that. He immediately wrote a complaint letter against him to the headmaster and wanted me to deliver it to the headmaster. I became confused about Samuel's character because I did not know how much of what I said was real and how much of it was imagined. And moreover, I did not have any proof of his violent behavior. I could not do anything except receiving the letter from the father, as my father was a very stubborn man. I was very helpless because he was not listening me. Okay, and I had to go to school. On the way to school, I remained confused and thought myself the worst perjurer. See, better the worst perjurer means false witness of everything, okay, on the earth. And I decided to deliver the letter after the school so that he could justify the letter. Then who could justify the letter better? Samuel, because whatever had been written in the letter about his violent behavior could be proved true only if he is going to punish Samuel. Then I started provoking Samuel to beat me. At last, I was successful and Samuel caned me, and in this way, the letter was proved. Then I went to the headmaster's office and found it locked. The peon told me that the headmaster was on leave and would return after a week, so I could not deliver the letter. The peon suggested me to deliver the letter to the assistant headmaster, who was Samuel. I could not do that, and I fled from there out of fear and was abused by my father for not delivering the letter. Really, it was a bad day, it was a horrible day, and at the end of the diary entry, you are supposed to write your name. Nowadays, we are writing name over it. Okay, let's do second diary entry. Imagine that you are Samuel, the teacher. Write a diary entry expressing your surprise at Swami's strange behavior. How he showed that he was having headache and you excused him, you forgave him for his mistakes, and then all of a sudden at last he was behaving in a very strange manner and you were puzzled at his behavior. Okay, so again we are going to write date first in the left side, and on the right side we're going to write time. Below date we are supposed to write day. Today is the unforgettable day of my life. An unusual incident took place in my class when I was teaching arithmetic. Beta, you have to remember that when Swami entered the class, teacher was teaching arithmetic. One of my students, Swami, came late in my class. On being asked, he told me that he was suffering from headache. I asked him why he was late. He told me that he was having headache. So I allowed him to sit in the class and started checking the homework. When his turn came, I asked him, but he refused me in a very strange manner. I thought it was because of his headache and forgave him. Okay. But in the last period, he started asking illogical questions and shouting in a very loud manner. I want him to behave his ways, but he did not mend his actions. So I had to cane him, but he was feeling very happy on being caned. I was really surprised and thought what had happened to him, and I was really concerned about him. I wish, or I pray to God to give him good understanding so that he may not repeat his mistake again. And I will try to talk to him and motivate him to be a good student. At the end, we are going to write Samuel as Samuel is writing the diary. I hope you are clear how to write diary entry. Do this in your fair notebook, and I'm giving you certain assignments that need to be done in rough notebook.